Now, with more of us working remotely from virtual offices, and with distributed teams across geographies and time zones, working together can be challenging. Virtual stand-up meetings can drive higher productivity and improve collaboration. They are short, focused, and energetic meetings and are highly effective in sharing information between peers. Standup Bot makes it incredibly easy to keep teams engaged and on the same page with a daily check-in using Slack or other collaboration tools. With just a few minutes every day, your entire team can track their goals and maintain visibility into each other's progress. The best part is everyone can post their updates at a time convenient for them. Let's see how it all works. To run a stand-up, I'll start by picking a scheduled time that takes into account different time zones. Then I'll set questions to gather some status updates for my team. To keep things fresh and exciting, you can ask different questions every day. Today I'll ask, what was your greatest achievement yesterday? What are your plans for today? And anything standing in your way? When the time comes for the stand-up meeting, each member of the team will receive a notification from Standup Bot asking them to get started. Standup Bot accounts for the time zone of each member when sending them a notification. So if Jessica gets her notification at 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Ken will receive his at 9:30 a.m. Japan Standard Time. The response from each member is posted into your team's stand-up channel so everyone has visibility into each other's status. Blockers are removed quickly and progress is made faster. Standup Bot is flexible. Let's say Alvin is out on PTO and won't have any updates to share. I can add an exclusion so that Alvin isn't receiving notifications while he's away. I can even add or remove Standup Bot admins directly from Slack. Change up what you ask your team during your stand-up meetings and keep things engaging and fun. Create new questions and question sets, or choose the ones that are most suitable for your team. Make virtual work for you and your team. Collaborate better with Standup Bot. This is only one of the thousands of ways we use automation here at Workato to make every day more amazing than the last. Discover how you can use the power of automation to improve experiences for your employees, customers, and everyone in between. Request a demo today to get started.